I vlog.
Coffee run day 2.
I only slept though 10.5 hours when I wanted to sleep
Only?
for 12.
Imagine, I got 6.
That's how much I got yesterday. Oh my goodness, is
keep
Britney
going.
on the radio?
Don't you know that you're toxic?
Is Britney okay? Did they
No.
sue her?
No,
She's
I'm
not
pretty sure she's
okay.
kidnapped.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, did you want me to read anything with you?
We read for Mara and Gwen together.
Listen. Jackson drops. We call Kirk.
Right.
Oh my goodness, Kirk is Kai?
That's everything.
That's everything.
Hi, can we do 2 separate orders?
Should I get cake pop?
And then can we do a chocolate cake pop, please? Squad, I like my impulse decisions.
Ma'am, this is a Starbucks drive-through.
Lauren.
Yeah.
What read?
I rate this a 10 out of 10. It tasted better in my dream, but it still tastes.
The cloud is very, very,
This one.
Yeah.
very creamy this time. Very creamy.
This one's yours.
I already had
Where's
one.
mine,
I
bro?
see it's
The
different.
first line is Gwen saying, "Come on, Mara. I'm sure it'll be great."
What am I writing again?
Anything. A sonnet, a that'd be sonnet, a haiku,
Sonnet.
a sonnet, a haiku,
Sonnet.
a limerick, whatever comes to you. Dollar for your thoughts. Did she just slide?
She started over here and she said,
Dollar for your thoughts?
is usually penny for your thoughts.
I don't want to run lines anymore.
What can I say? I'm a dreamer.
I'm
a dreamer. Okay, bye vlog. That was very exciting. I'm glad you guys could join us.